Good morning, students. On that day, we have completed our lecture, Packing Efficiency and Packing Fraction for Body-Centered BCC. Okay. On that day, we have find out the packing fraction. In a packing fraction, it's come as 68%. That is 0.68. Okay. So at this one, 68% packing fraction of the BCC. Now today we will start a FCC. In a FCC, let's see the face centered cubic unit cell. Means this is the cube. On this cube it is electrons are on the each face. 1 2 3 4. One is on front side, one is on back side. So already you should know this thing very well, that volume of the unit cell is a cube. 1a is here, here and here. This is a cube. R and relation between R and A. R is the radius. Relation is this one which we have studied before. By this R we can find out the A also. It becomes 4R upon root 2. Rank of the unit cell we have discussed before, that is 4. Packing fraction, the formula is volume occupied by atom upon volume of unit cell. That is the formula I have put it here. After putting a formula, A I have taken as 4R upon root 2. On this one I have put it the formula. Okay. In place of A cube, we are putting this 4R upon root 2 and it form an A cube. The things are cutted. After cutting the things, it's come as 2 root 2 pi 4 into 3. Okay. 4 into 3. Now see, after cutting it's said as pi root 2 into 3. Pi we can write is 3.14 and root 3 into root 2 equals to 0.74. Okay. When this thing is coming as 0.74, it's called as packing efficiency. But this packing efficiency, if we want to change into the fraction, it means when we are changing into the fractions, full group is of 100. 0.74 into 100 from 74%. And voids are 100 minus 74, 26%. Means voids means spaces, how much it is left, that is 26%. Okay. So again I am telling, this is for the FCC. In FCC its form as face centered. On this one, volume of unit cell A cube, relation is R is equals to root 2A by 4. And rate of unit cell is 4. After this, we put a formula here. After putting the formula, it comes like this. Same you can see in this one. This is a review. BCC we have taken. In a BCC, it form on the face. It form R here. Putting a formula, it comes as 68%. This is for the BCC, you can see, and this is for the FCC. Okay. Packing efficiency is now completed of all the three, and this is the packing efficiency of simple unit cell. It coming as 52%. Okay. So this is your today's lecture, and other things we will continue by tomorrow, and we will study more about it. Okay. These things you can write in your notes, and some notes I am giving from the book also. From the book which I am giving to you, from that book you can write it. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.